Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Havas Café. This is day 2 of programming. We're excited to dive in. We are talking about a lot of technology this week, and we are joined here to talk about the future of AI for platforms with Meta. We've got Mark Bregman, Chief Activation Officer, and we've got Dave Surgan from Meta. Welcome. Let's get into it.
I know that Meta has been investing billions in AI. I know it's been a core focus for the organization for years. There's a lot that's happening in the consumer side. There's wearables that you're going to give out to everyone in the crowd today. That's what I've heard, potentially. Look at how excited everyone is. But there's also a lot in ad tech. What is the strategy? What's the focus? What's the big win for Meta from everything you guys are doing?
Yeah, so we have been investing in AI for over 10 years. Our first AI-powered product was rather controversial when it first launched. It was called Newsfeed. It was hotly debated when it came out, and we have seen over time that there are many use cases for AI to solve very clear problems in people's lives, help them stay connected to their loved ones and to their favorite things. So this has been something that has been tens of billions of dollars year after year after year. Thinking through what is the future of consumer experience, what can we build for developers. We have the leading large language model that is open sourced called Llama. And we also are thinking about what is the future of our ad systems. So our ad systems benefit a great deal from our investments in AI, and there's a lot more coming.
So walk us through ad tech. There's a lot of audience targeting, there's content optimization, there's content generation with Gen AI, you've got Llama behind the scenes, you've got some user engagement features you guys have launched. Just walk through, what does the ad tech world look like within Meta?
Yeah, as it relates to advertising, we have something called the Advantage Suite. It is an automated suite of solutions that really allow you to do things faster. Whether it be through finding an audience or a number of different things. The Advantage Suite is really mature. So we like to say there's AI 1.0, which is machine learning. That's why our ad systems do such a wonderful job at helping find the people that will take an action on what you're looking for your business.
So let's geek out for a minute. We have a lot of clients, some of them here that are in retail. They've got products that they want to sell. Sometimes content works. Sometimes you have to make it better. We know from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you're getting a lot of signals. So there's people actively researching products. They're looking at lots of different ads. How do you get users to be really excited? What does the back-end interface do to change around the creative to get users hooked in?
Yeah, so this is something that is quite powerful. And this use case in particular is, I think, what is going to be a leading example here. So as we have our Advantage Suite, our ad systems do a really great job of helping find people that will take an action. So this is the big macro shift, and we discuss and debate with all of our agency friends and advertiser friends. But we're seeing a macro shift from audience targeting to outcome targeting. So when we're potentially introducing a brand or a product to someone, we will personalize that and find the right product for you that you will take an action on.
So walk me through the Meta ecosystem. You guys have Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Threads that's now picking up a lot of new activity, new user volume, comments, maybe their thoughts, their passions. You got Reels that's launched, huge amounts of volume of videos that are being watched. WhatsApp also has its own ecosystem of different messages. How do you piece it all together? How do you get insights and actions out of that?
Yeah, I mean, we really feel like having this unified ad system across our family of apps is a real superpower. So we have well more than 3 billion people using our family of apps every month. So you did an amazing job with the list, by the way. I think you got them all.
Thank you.
And so Threads is the newest addition to this family of apps with well more than 300 million people using Threads monthly. As we think about the wide range of surfaces that we have across the family of apps, Threads currently does not have ads, but will at some point in the future. We feel like there's there's just a tremendous amount of value that is added because we have this wide range of advertising surfaces or ad units across a wide range of needs, which can lead to many different ways to tell a brand story or to make that conversion.
So let's talk about ASC. You mentioned Advantage Plus. It's the AI software that allows you to optimize based on the intent signals, the targets, the creative, what's happening in terms of performance. There's shopping campaigns that you can actively link to Advantage Plus. We're running those for a lot of our clients. The results have been amazing. Walk us through just how it works.
Yeah, I mean, so we talked a little bit about how that idea of creative diversity helps us find the people that are going to take an action, and we feel like retail is going to be a really strong place for that. As we think about the future of that Advantage suite, Gen AI is where we are really excited about the future. So right now we have this automated media suite, but our Gen AI for creative solutions are where we are much earlier in that maturity cycle, and we are testing and learning a lot. So right now, the Gen AI for Creative Suite is being used by over 1 million advertisers and has produced well more than 15 million live ads on our systems. It is still very early, so as we think about big brands, we are very careful about when and where we want to test. But if you're at a big, let's say a big CPG brand and you have many different brands in your portfolio, and so that's why we love setting up these learning agendas with folks like Havas and your clients so that we can figure out how can we test all of these new features, how can we make sure that you are along for the ride, providing us feedback on what's working and what you want to see for big brands, and then understanding how do we perhaps help just unlock performance. And so this idea of creative diversity over and over again is something that we are continually trying to produce new solutions to help achieve that creative diversity.
So switching gears a little bit, you're wearing the Ray-Ban sunglasses. How does it work? What are they recording? How does the information get stored? What is Meta doing with it, as much as you're comfortable saying?
Yeah, well, it stays on the glasses for starters, for the most part. So Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, we have been really excited to, we feel like we have found a bit of product market fit there. Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses have speakers built in, they have, they capture images, they capture video, and we also were able to integrate Meta AI, which is our consumer AI assistant. And so by having the AI baked into these smart glasses, it unlocks a whole world of use cases. We feel like it is a leading AI wearable. Types of use cases start to hint at what the future of computing looks like. And so we have had this very long-term mindset with thinking through what is the future of wearables, what is the role of AI in those wearables. And so the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses really, it comes together a tremendous amount of vision all in a single product. So these glasses, they just get better and better. It's pretty amazing. So we are rolling out new features all the time.
Whether it's talking to you or whether it's showing it to you, it's trying to make your life a lot easier.
Exactly. There might be things that you are using it for as you're on the move, and there's other things you might be using it for as you're sitting down or on your commute. And so these are where there's a lot of user experience and design decisions that need to be made. But we feel like we have found a really interesting and compelling product that will allow for this wide range of uses.
We can finish there. Dave, really appreciate you coming and joining us here at the Havas Café. Covered a lot of ground. Hopefully the folks that are watching learned a little bit or learned a lot about how AI works within Meta. But thanks once again for joining us.
Thank you so much, and we're so excited about all the progress we've been making with Havas. So thank you for having me, and happy CES.